So the last couple of months have been so nerve-wracking and overwhelming for me that I decided I'm gonna do something fun for this video. So I am gonna choose your MDS specialization based on your personality trait. Shall we? Let's go. So let's just ditch the books for a while and have a lot of fun, because you and I, we deserve to have a lot of fun. So watch till the end of the video and comment which specialization suits your personality trait. If you're the designated driver of the group, you're the planner, you plan everything, you do not panic but you actually take in charge of a thing, you solve problems headstrong, and also you're like super straightforward, मुंह फट जो दिल में है वो मुंह पे है, then I think the MDS specialization that suits you the best is oral surgery or prosthodontics. You're not scared of blood, you're not scared to take challenges, you're the भाई मैं ही सब कुछ कर दूंगा, because you just go and दांत उखाड़ दिया and you remove the problem at the bud. Second personality trait, if you're the OCD queen, if you are the micromanager, you are the perfectionist, you want everything to be in a certain order, basically you're the Monica of the group, then the specialization that suits you the best is endodontics. I don't think nobody in the entire fraternity cares as much as about saving a tooth than endodontists. Like, I respect them massively. The amount of patience that an endodontist has in trying to save a tooth, like, dude, you need that kind of patience level in yourself. So yeah, the personality type that suits you the best, if you're the OCD queen, is endodontics for sure. The next personality trait is, if you're that typical sober girl vibe, you're very Pinterest coded, you have a vision board, you definitely own a Stanley mug probably. Basically, if you're anything like me, then I think I suggest you should go and specialize in perio. भाई ये तो मजाक वाला रीजन हो गया कि if you're this person, go and choose perio, but if you're actually interested in pursuing perio, then I highly suggest you to watch this video जो मैंने इतनी शिद्दत से बनाया है for people who do not know the scope of perio and want to choose perio as a subject. Please go and watch that video, you'll have clarity. And yeah, the next personality trait is, if you love planning, and I say micro level pe nahi, but like a wedding planner wala scene, if you're like that macro manager, also the techie of the group, you're the technological guru of your group, also a gym freak, little bit OCD but not so much. So if you have all these characteristic traits, then the MDS specialization that suits you the best is orthodontics. Also a little bit of surgery, like you can mismatch. ऑर्थो मेरा पहला प्यार था, पर मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह गया, रूफत भी. I mean, I'm nothing like this. I'm not the techie of the group. I don't like planning and all. But ठीक है, प्यार था यार. प्यार के लिए कुछ भी, प्यार अंधा होता है. So anyways, but yeah, if you're anything like that, go for ortho. You're the ortho dude. Oh my kuchipu, oh my babu shona. So if you have a personality trait like that, who loves baby talk, who loves animals also, and who has a lot of patience, kindness and compassion in their heart, and also is the multitasker, like you can handle 10 jobs at once, the specialization for you is pedodontics. You need a whole level of patience and compassion to deal with kids, because kids can be very early on in my life, a teacher of mine, he looked at my hands, because I have tiny hands, I'm a tiny person, right? He's like, tere ko to pedo hi lena chahiye. But then he never saw me behave with kids. Like, have you seen that episode of Friends where Ross brings Ben over and Rachel is just holding him like a football? That is me with kids, so I could never. The next personality trait is, are you the topper of the group? Are you the introverted person? Are you antisocial? Do you just love reading books? You love nature? You love the soft life? Then the specialization for you is oral pathology and oral medicine. And the last personality trait for this video is, are you the yapper? Are you extremely extroverted and outgoing? Do you love to travel? Do you love to mingle but you're still single? Then my friend, the specialization for you is public health dentistry. Funny how all of these characteristic traits match with me, but I could never choose public health dentistry because I hate statistics, I can't. Anyways, I hope you had fun with this video, because ये ऐसे मैं लेटे time pass कर रही थी and एक ख्याल आया कि wow, this is such an interesting topic to make a video on. So yeah, मतलब don't take it seriously, okay? I'm not an astrologer, I'm not a predictor, so don't get offended and be like, how could you say this and that? It's just meant for entertainment purpose only, disclaimer. Just have fun, grab your popcorn and have fun, because my main intention is not to be a part of your doom scrolling, but actually be your Netflix and chill. Take time out of your life and watch my videos. That's all I really want. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Until then, namaste.